Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am here with my Marc Jacobs Sephora haul. Marc Jacobs featuring a couple other makeup brands as well. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. We have all the fun here. We do BoxyCharm and Ipsy unboxing. I do monthly giveaways. Items come from when I'm out shopping or my BoxyCharms and my Ipsies. I get BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm Premium, Ipsy, Ipsy Glam Plus, and your girl is a major shopping addict. So my giveaways are absolutely amazing and they are absolutely free to you. I cover shipping. All you have to do is be subscribed. So hit that subscribe button and the like button. And don't forget to highlight the notifications so you can be notified every time I upload something new. So I just got done uploading my BoxyCharm pop-up video, and now I'm going to show you what I got from my Sephora haul. So as I've mentioned a few times already, Marc Jacobs Beauty is going out of business, and all of their items are 50% off on Sephora and other makeup outlets. So if you have not shopped yet, girl, get them before they're gone, because you know all of those hoarders out there that are like buying as many as they possibly can, and then once they're all gone, they're going to sell them to you and me who want them for like an outrageous amount of money. Don't let that happen to you. Get it while it's hot. Anyways, okay, so let's just get into the Sephora haul. So this first item is actually not a Marc Jacobs item, but I fell in love with Natasha Diona through BoxyCharm. Her eyeshadow formulas are second to none, you guys. If you have not tried Natasha Diona, her mini palettes on Sephora are $25, but she's got eyeshadow palettes that are upwards over $300. So that just goes to show her eyeshadow formula is buttery and smooth and gorgeous and blendable. So far, I own the Eyeliner palette, the Jubilee palette, both of which I got out of BoxyCharm. And when I saw the Mini Love palette for $25 on Sephora.com, I could not help it. I don't know if the video is going to do this palette justice, you guys. It's so gorgeous. I cannot wait to play around with it. We've got a shimmery, almost like a, it's like a darker pink, but in some lightings it's almost like a golden pink. Then we have a matte mauve and a matte, kind of like a purpley mauve almost. Like it's not purple, but it's like a, maybe like a dark mauve matte color. Then we have a highlight shimmer color and then another shimmery pink color. And you guys, this palette is so beautiful. I'm trying to catch a good angle so you can see. If you guys own this palette or you've owned it in the past, let me know what you think about it. I can't wait to try it. Again, $25 on Sephora.com. So I cannot wait. There's definitely going to be a video or two or three or four coming up with different looks that I will do with this. Whoops! If I don't break it, oh, I would literally cry, you guys. I know it's only $25, but man, I would cry. I've been waiting for this. So, okay, moving on to some of the Marc Jacobs items. Now, this I actually have on my face right now. This is Marc Jacobs Glow Away Luminizer. It comes in two colors. It comes in Sunlit and Moonlit. The Sunlit is a bronzy gold, and the Moonlit is more of, it's a lighter with a pink undertone. It's a cool toned luminizer. You guys, I have this other Marc Jacobs. It's like a mini size, and it is another, like some sort of glow product. I wish I knew exactly what it was. It's upstairs, so I don't have it handy, but not that I don't like it. I do reach for it from time to time, but it dries so quickly on the skin that it is not easy to work with, and it looks very makeup-y. This stuff, you guys, when you put it on, it comes with like almost like a little lip gloss spoolie. And when you put it on, it just melts into your skin. It doesn't look like you're wearing makeup. It's like a lit from within. Absolutely gorgeous. These retail for $32. I was able to pick it up for $16. I honestly am so tempted to jump back on and get the other color and get a couple more of this because I love it so much. I love the way that it feels and performs. You guys, this stuff is amazing. I'm telling you. I'll be 36 July 4th. My skin is getting a little bit older. My pores are enlarged. I do have some fine lines, and I have dry skin. So I need something just like this. I'm telling you, the way that it just melts into your skin, and it just looks so natural, such a natural, lit from within, beautiful glow that this stuff gives you. I definitely recommend it. I literally just tried it out right before I filmed this, and I am in love. I'm probably going to have to get a couple more of these. I'm not even going to lie, because once they're gone, you guys, they're gone. Marc Jacobs Beauty is going. It's gone. When it's gone, it's gone. So I did grab two of his, these are one of his gel liners, the High Line gel liners, but these were his limited edition gold editions, and one is called Top Brass, and the other one is called Oh My Gold. So my go-to eye look for like an everyday eye look is super pretty, bronzy, gold, neutral brown looks. I have brown eyes, so pretty golds look really good on me. And I will tell you that I have a major problem with watering eyes. So there's some days that it is so hard to do my eye looks because my eyes are literally just crying. I have allergies, and even outside of the allergies, I just have really sensitive eyes. They water so badly, which can be a freaking disaster when you're trying to do your eye makeup. And I will say that I have a couple other Marc Jacobs eyeliners, and they are so easy on the eye. If you have sensitive eyes, I highly recommend trying a couple of these. These retail for, you know what, I knew I wasn't going to remember. I thought I had it written down somewhere. I think these retail, yes, these retail for $26 a piece, and I was able to pick them up for $13 a piece. One is a brass color, and one is a really pretty gold color. I'll do some swatches here. And they're like gel liners. The color stays so good. It's almost like untransferable. I just love his eyeliners. You guys, I'm going to be honest. I am like super sad that his beauty line is going to be no longer. Like, it's super bougie. These are the two colors. The darker is the Top Brass, and the lighter is Oh My Gold. Just trying to find a good lighting to show you. There we go. Wish I could get them more up close. But they're super, super pretty. And again, really great for sensitive eyes. Normally $26, 13 bones a piece, you guys. Sephora.com. Oh my God, yeah, this is probably the most well, I don't know, outside of the Moonlit Luminizer, I am like in love with that, but you guys, this palette is absolutely gorgeous. These retail for $50. You can grab them on Sephora.com for $25 right now, $50 palette. You guys, the packaging is just freaking super cute. You got the like elongated thing, and this one is black and gold. You guys, this palette is freaking like orgasmic. It's another, why can I not get it open? It's got like brown and gold. I don't know what is wrong with me right now. I can't get this thing open. Here we go. But you guys, I have got to find a good lighting for this. The shimmers in this. When I saw the picture that Sephora has online, I'm like, okay, well, it might be cute for like my everyday looks. When I opened it, I about creamed my freaking pants. The shimmers in this. So we have two mattes, like a light taupe color. Almost like a transition color, and then these three in the middle, we got a brown, a gold, and like a brownish greenish gold. I would classify these as glitters, not shimmers. They are freaking gorgeous, and the pigment in them, I know the camera is not going to do this justice, you guys. This is a freaking gorgeous palette. And then we have two other shimmers that I would classify these as shimmers, not glitters. The three in the middle are more like glitters. Then we have a darker brown shimmer and a almost like a black, well, it's not a black though. It's like a dark, dark brown with golden shimmers in it. So again, $50 palette for $25. You guys, this palette is super beautiful. I will definitely be doing some looks with this in the very near future. So just keep your eye out for that. And then as a gift from Sephora, I was able to pick between the Urban Decay Primer Potion, which I already have, and it was just one of the little tiny trial sizes, and since I have one already, I went with the Kate Somerville Resurfacing Overnight Peel. The packaging looks big, but this right here in between my fingertips is the actual product, so it's not much, but it was free, so I can't complain about that. I have never tried this. I love Kate Somerville skincare products. This is not one that I have tried in the past. If this is something that you own or you have tried in the past, please let me know down below how you liked it. I'm thinking about giving it a try tonight. However, I used retinol last night, so I might not do it again tonight. It's best, you know, for my skin anyways, if I only use retinol products a couple times a week to not over dry my already dry skin. So I might not try this tonight. I might wait a while, but if you have tried it in the past, I'd love to hear what you think about the product in the comments down below. And then one very last thing, this is not something that I got from Sephora or BoxyCharm, but I got this on my way home from work today. I stopped at Nordstrom's Rack. That is basically like a Nordstrom's department store, like whenever they have their new items coming in and they need to clear their shelves and make room for all of the new merchandise, things go to Nordstrom's Rack and you're able to get them for a discount. This is the Bobbi Brown High Bar eyeshadow palette. I have never owned a Bobbi Brown eyeshadow palette, so I'm super excited. I went there just to have a quick look at what they had today. Sometimes you can find really great deals, and sometimes the deals are, you know, not that much off of what it really costs to begin with, but still at any point a discount. But like I said before, I'm a sucker for shimmery browns, and the shimmers in this palette caught my eye, and I was able to pick it up for $30 when I think normally the palette goes for around $40, maybe $45. I'm not 100% sure. I'd have to look it up. But the palette itself feels really nice. It feels like a high quality palette. There is a nice mirror inside, and the colors are gorgeous. Just a really pretty, kind of neutral-ish looking palette. Again, if you own or have owned this in the past, let me know what you think about it. I can't wait to give it a try. There's definitely going to be some upcoming videos with this as well. So for tonight, that is all I've got for you, babes. I've got much more to come, though. We will have this month's giveaway coming up in a couple weeks once I get all of my subscription boxes for the month in. But I will have more BoxyCharm pop-up sale boxes coming in very soon. I know right now there's 2 more on the way, and those aren't even my big one for the month. And then I will have my BoxyCharm Premium, my Ipsy, and my Ipsy Bag Plus coming very soon. Plus, I did have a request for a Less is More makeup look from Denise Peters. Denise, your video is coming very soon. I promise you that. And I can't wait to see you guys again very soon. Have a great night, y'all.